Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to do one of my favorite things. We're going to learn how to edit our travel photos into bangers, but we're going to learn how to do it quickly. So I feel like today's topic is super relevant. We've all been there. We've all been on a trip or a vacation that we couldn't wait to go on because we saw dope Instagram pictures of that place. And we finally get there, we get an opportunity to take our own picture and it kind of sucks, right? It's a dud. It's totally unusable. I've been in that situation myself plenty of times. A lot of the Instagram pictures that I take look nothing from the time that they were taken to the time that they're actually posted. So here's a picture I took of Rumsha in Mykonos. It's not that great, right? But with a few edits and just a little bit of tweaking, boom, we can turn this photo into an instant banger. Now I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do this. It's super quick and it's super easy. First thing you want to do is grab your phone. Next, download Adobe Lightroom. This should be the only app that you're using for editing. Now let's jump right into Lightroom and I'm going to show you guys exactly what I do. Okay, so now that we've jumped into Lightroom, we're going to make a few simple adjustments that's going to help transform this image into what we saw previously. So right now I'm in the light menu, and first thing you want to do is kind of help brighten up the image. So I'm going to do that by increasing the exposure to somewhere I'm comfortable with. I'm going to increase the contrast a little bit. We're going to draw back the highlights, and I'm gonna actually draw down the shadows just a little bit, and I'm going to raise both the whites and the blacks. Okay, so the lighting is somewhere that I'm kind of happy with it, but you'll still notice that the picture is kind of blue. Now in order to fix that, we're gonna jump into our color menu. In order to combat the blueness, we're gonna raise the temperature of our image. I'm going to bring the heat up, which will introduce more orange into the picture. So I'm going to bring this up to around 31. And already you can see this has made such a huge difference. The image is already looking so much whiter, so much cleaner, and you're getting a lot more of those Mykonos vibes that we were originally looking for when we went to go take the photo. Now I'm going to bring down the tint just a little bit. We're going to increase the vibrance and the saturation just a tiny bit. Now I want to introduce just a little bit of more detail to this image. So I'm going to jump down into the effects menu and I'm going to add a little bit of clarity. And that's it. I'm not going to do anything else. Now if I jump down into the detail section, I'm going to add just a little bit of color noise reduction. So we'll bring that up to 59 just to help smooth out the colors a little bit. And that's it. This is our after. This was our before. So as you can see, editing photos in Lightroom is super easy. Our image looks so much better now than from when we started, and it's actually usable. If you guys found this video useful, leave a like at the bottom. If you think this kind of content is interesting to you, consider subscribing. Until next time, peace.